I planted 5 easy flowers 30 days ago. Here's what actually happened. Honest results coming up. Welcome back to Garden Nest Living. Today we're doing a 30-day audit of our foolproof flowers to see what's thriving and what's surprising me. The sweet peas are the absolute winners for speed. Look at how far they've climbed the trellis in just a month. They are reaching for the sky. I can already see the first buds forming. That incredible English cottage garden scent is just a few days away now. It's so rewarding. My biggest surprise? The cosmos. They looked so delicate as seedlings, but they are already filling out the border with such whimsical energy. They've needed almost zero attention. If you want a garden that feels like a sanctuary without the hard work, these are a must. Now, for some real talk, the marigolds are tough, but the slugs did have a little go at this one. That's just part of the journey. The nasturtiums are winning the least care award. I've practically ignored them in this poor soil, and they couldn't be happier. And our pansies and violas are just steady and hardy, providing that constant pop of colour in my favourite containers. Even with a few nibbled leaves, the results are clear. These 5 flowers are truly accessible for every beginner. 30 days in, and this space already feels like more of a sanctuary. It's about the peace that comes with growing your own. If you want to try these yourself, I've got the full guide with all my honest results linked in the description below. Happy gardening, and follow along for more sanctuary inspiration. I'll see you in 30 days for the next check-in.